This girl wants to jump off a cliff. He was stopped by an uncle. Uncle said that you can't think of it anyway. It's a pity you died. Why don't you fulfill me? I'm not married yet. The girl will be at the edge of the cliff on the spot. Tears hung on my face like I was struck by lightning, crying and scolding you for being crazy. I'm about to jump off a cliff, and you still say such silly talk. Uncle is not smiling. Take a step forward now. Reach out and protect him. Bend down and pick up the phone he just threw on the stone. The phone screen smashed to shreds. The lock screen is a round lop-eared rabbit. Eyes are so cute. He scrubbed the gravel off the screen with his palm. Dim light screen. Pointing to the rabbit, you raised this rabbit, right? Jump down. Who will take care of him? The girl was stunned. Squat directly on the ground and bury your face in your knees. Crying even more than before. He was crying in despair. Now the block in my heart has been punctured. Fear of fists pouring out after being wronged. I cried until my shoulders shook. Uncle doesn't advise. Just squat next to him and put the broken screen phone at his feet. He took out a pack of crumpled coarse grain cakes from his pocket. I took a bite and didn't swallow. Looking at the cliff and saying, I have been on this cliff for 14 years. The fence on the edge of this cliff has been repaired 8 times. The gap you just flipped through. It's the old railing I took down last week. I haven't had time to weld a new one yet. Specially reserved for construction. Speechless has with a hoarse voice. It took a while. I just looked up and asked what you were doing. Used to be a welder. Specially welded guardrails. Now I'm a ranger here. 2,900 yuan a month. The uncle broke half of the cake in his hand. Handed to him. Not much money, but can guard this cliff. Don't let people lose their lives casually. I got 6 in 14 years. If you can't think of it. Pull back 16 9. In total, girls' including eyes are swollen like walnuts. The body is not shaking, but the heart is still stuffy. Ask those who are whispered by you. Did the people who persuaded them to come back be well later? The uncle took out his old age machine. Fingers scratched for a long time. Photo and handed it to him. This is a middle-aged man pushing a food truck that sells breakfast. With a simple smile. This is the guy who jumped off the cliff 5 years ago. 10 times harder than you. Lost all the money in business and owed 250,000 for in debt. Parents are seriously ill in bed. He came up in the middle of the night and tried to jump off the cliff all night. Girls scroll down the photo. The boy's breakfast cart has become a street-side shop. Standing by his wife and school children. The store was full of customers. He has a hot breakfast shop now. Climbed the mountain on purpose last month. Brought me a basket of eggs. A bag of buns. Say no me, no him. Now his uncle stands up. Shoot off the dirt and grass clippings from your pants. Reach out to him. His hands are full of calluses. There is a long welding scar in the tiger's mouth. Leave residue stuck between fingers. I don't ask what's wrong with you. You don't have to tell me. Just remember that you feel like the sky is falling. It's because you only stand on the edge of this cliff and change local station. The sky will light up. The girl stared at the rough hand. I struggled for a long time. He can't bear to be bald at home. I am afraid that the days ahead will be difficult. After hesitating for a long time, I finally handed my hand over. The uncle led him to the cabin on the edge of the cliff. The house is clean. Firewood tools in the corner. The walls are covered with photos. It's all from the people he saved with wedding photos. Child full moon photo. Postcards sent by migrant workers. Behind each, all wrote their names and dates with markers. The uncle poured him a cup of hot water. The water temperature is just right. The girl is holding a water glass. Look at the pictures on the wall one by one. Look at those smiling faces. Yuji in my heart is slowly loosening a little. To a blank wooden figure in the corner. The frame looks up and asks the uncle why this photo frame is empty. The uncle glanced back. The tone is flat and serious. This is for you. When you have a good life in the future, send a photo. I'll hang it up for you. The girl's tears fell again. No crying this time. Tears dripping down my chin into the water glass. He took a sip of salty water. The stuffiness in the chest that has been blocked for a long time has dissipated much time in the cabin. Screen phone to the uncle before leaving. You keep it for me for a few days. I'm afraid I'll see him when I get home. The uncle took the phone and put it in a pocket close to his body. Whenever you want to take it, climb up the cliff to find me. I'm here every day. If you don't come, I'll keep it for you. After 12 days, Uncle is welding new guardrails on the edge of the cliff. I saw a girl climbing up from a distance, holding a bag of fruit in his hand, holding a pet dragon in her arms. The lop-eared rabbit is lying obediently in the cage. Rub the cage from time to time. When you get to the cabin, the girl suddenly went soft, sitting on the ground, pale face. Cover your stomach and hum. The pet dragon also fell to the side. The lop-eared rabbit screamed in fright. Uncle quickly put down the welding gun and ran over to help him up into the cabin. Quickly find the candy cube in his pocket and put it in his mouth. I heated up the coarse grain cakes that I didn't finish before. Put it in his hand. Haven't you eaten well for several days? If people don't want to live, they don't want to eat first. Put everything back. The girl took a bite of the hot cake. Take a few sips of hot water. Stomach doesn't hurt anymore. Comes back. I just told my uncle the truth. He was fired by the company for no reason. The salary is not paid. Being evicted from the rental house by the landlord. Rabbit got sick and spent all his savings. I want to jump off the cliff when I have no choice. Uncle didn't say anything big. Pull out a cloth bag from under the pillow. Inside is a neat wad of money. Put it in his hand. 3,500 yuan to treat the rabbit first. A small house. You must eat a breakfast. I said hello. You go there to work. Eat and live. Hold your feet first. The girl quickly waved her hand and said nothing. The uncle forced the money into his pocket. I guarded the cliff for 14 years. It's not a life. It's a breath. You take this breath and live it up. You did me a favor. Girl holding money and holding pet dragon. Tears keep falling. This time it was moved tears. He bowed deeply to the uncle. Promise to live well. Never do stupid things again. Another half a month passed. The girl climbs the cliff again. The whole person has completely changed. Wearing clean and tidy clothes, with a smile on his face. The lop-eared rabbit is all cured, chubby jumping around in the cage. He has a repaired cell phone in his hand. There is also a photo of myself and the lop-eared rabbit. Pass it to the big tree in front of the uncle. I'm working hard at the breakfast shop. The salary is sufficient. The rabbit is completely healed too. I figured it out. If the phone is broken, you can change the screen. People can change their way of life when they are difficult. The tree took the photo. Put it carefully into that blank photo frame. Hang it in the most prominent position on the wall. Put it together with other photos. At this time, the owner of the Yamashita breakfast restaurant, the young man whom the uncle saved back then, climbed the mountain with his wife and children. See the girl laughing and holding his hand, girl. We are all the people brought back by the uncle. Take care of each other later. Any difficulty can be overcome. Uncle in the small stove of the wooden house boiled 3 bowls of hot noodle soup. For a girl. 1 bowl for the breakfast shop owner and 1 bowl for himself. Wilbur is lying beside, eating the vegetables prepared by the uncle. The evening sun shines on the cliff, dyed the mountains and forests warm red. The light in the cabin is warm. No extra words, only the aroma of hot noodles and the screams of rabbits. The uncle watched the girl eat the noodles clean, even drank the soup. I feel very at ease. Toe Mountain Cliff for so many years. I already understood a reason. Person is willing to eat well. I just want to live well, no matter how difficult life is. Don't jump off a cliff to die. Can be overcome and can be carried. Someone is silently watching over you. If you live well, you will have a chance to make a comeback. Being alive is the greatest blessing. The wind and rain will eventually dissipate. All obstacles can be overcome. Don't give up on yourself easily. Live seriously. The road ahead has its own gentle dawn.